So that is, if speed v, area A and the force F are chosen as fundamental units, then the dimension of Young's modulus will be, and we have the four options given to us. So let's move to the solution. The solution is the Young's modulus y is equal to k into f to the power x, a to the power y and v to the power z. Now we have done the Young's modulus, so m L1 t minus 2 is equal to mlt to the power minus 2 whole to the power x, L to the power 2 whole to the power y, Lt to the power minus 1 whole to the power z. Now we compare the powers, and we have x is equal to 1, minus 2x minus z is equal to minus 2, and x plus 2y plus z is equal to 1, minus 1. So that gives us z is equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 1. So the solution is the third part.